for my MCP cabinet.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, eastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near German Valley to near Mount Morris to near Walnut, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Rockford, DeKalb, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Sycamore, Roscoe, Rochelle, South Beloit, Brockton, Poplar Grove, Genoa, Shabona, Rockford Airport, Candlewick Lake, Cortland, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, and Pecatonica, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 78 and 123, Interstate 88 between mile markers 71 and 100, Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 31. This includes Northern Illinois University, Boone County Fairgrounds, Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford Rivets Baseball, Rockford Speedway, and Winnebago County Fairgrounds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north-central and northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. for Lee and Ogle counties. At 3:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near